Hi, my name is Tera Freeman, and through my business, Work It Girl Fitness, I empower women to be sexy, confident, and healthy through pole dance classes. Before I joined the Client Riches program, I had no idea how to market my business online. I didn't have an email list, I didn't know what a lead magnet was, I had no idea what a sales funnel was, and had no idea where to get started on any of these things. After joining the Client Riches program, I learned how to use Facebook ads, started a lead magnet, and grew my email list to 2,156 subscribers. Also, since joining the program, I've made $6,049.51. If you are on the fence about joining the Client Riches program, I would definitely tell you to join the program. You're going to learn so much about how to grow your business, how to market your business, and make consistent revenue. So join the program, and I'll see you soon.